You guys. So, I'm covering myself up. We're done with Vlogmas for the year. I don't know if I'm gonna do Vlogmas next year, to be honest with you. I might do like a 12 days of Christmas thing, but I feel like with Vlogmas, like it was a lot of fun and everything, but because I had to work so quickly and there was such a quick turnaround with videos and everything like that, I feel like the quality kind of lacked, you know what I mean? And I would rather have like good, nice quality videos instead of just like pumping out videos. I think 3 times a week is good, and then maybe this year in 2021 I'll do like a 12 days of something, advent calendars, makeup looks. I don't know, give me suggestions. All right, today I'm very excited. So it is 2021, you guys. January 1st, which happens to be on a Friday. We are going back to my regular schedule of posting on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I feel like that works best for me. I'm assuming you guys like that. I don't know. We are going to discuss today, though, what I got for Christmas for 2020. And now, obviously, in this video, my intention is not to brag in any way, shape, or form. This was requested by a few people. I figured I'd go ahead and make it. If you want to watch it, cool. If you don't, also cool. You can go ahead and X out. No hard feelings. I know these videos aren't everybody's jam. I personally love to watch them because I'm a nosy fuck, but they're a lot of fun if you are into these types of, I guess it's a haul video. I feel like that's so like, I don't know. I feel like it's a weird thing to say though. But I mean, this is such an amazing Christmas. I had a lot of fun spending time with my like internal family. Obviously, we didn't really get to see people from the outside world, but it was still a lot of fun. We made some really great memories with the kids. We did a lot of fun stuff with the kids. My kids cleaned up. Like, it was a good Christmas all around. And obviously, I am in a situation where I am exceptionally blessed, and my husband, for whatever reason, spoils me pretty much all year round, but at Christmas especially. I give him a wish list. He always picks a couple things off of that, and then he picks, you know, some stuff on his own, and I personally think he does a fantastic job. So today I'm going to share with you guys what I got for Christmas, and let's go ahead and go. So I'm thinking I'm going to start with the stuff for my stocking, and the stocking gets a little bit confusing because the stockings that I had this year, I hated. Like, they had no stretch at all, and if you tried to put something in that didn't perfectly fit the stuff, it like teared at the seams. It was so weird. I got it from Target, and I don't like them. So I'm planning on getting new stockings next year. But we're gonna go ahead and talk about what should have gone into the stocking, because some of this stuff was, and then some of it he had to like wrap and put on the sign. So let's talk about what should have gone in the stocking. First of all, I have already gotten into these. There was also a chocolate Santa that I already ate, but Ferrero Rochers are my absolute favorite. My husband gets them for me every freaking year, and I love them. I don't know how I still have these. Please don't ask me that. I bought, so we did like this family tradition, like this movie and junk food day on Christmas Eve. And I picked up a couple of these for myself because I love them so much. And that's probably why I still have some of these. But I love these so much. These are like the best candy ever. He also, every year, he gets me a new pair of slippers. And I wore these, so they're dirty at the bottom. But he got me these cute little booties. I freaking love these. And we were talking about it, and I was like, this is literally like the design. If I had gone to the store myself and picked these out for myself, this is what I would have chosen. And these are so comfortable. I have been wearing nothing but these in the house, and they're perfect. These are so soft. And I'm pretty sure the stocking stuffers he picked all up at Target. So if you are looking for a pair of like slipper socks like this, go to Target, because they're so soft. They're so wonderful. I love them so much. He also picked me up a couple pieces of jewelry. This is from the New Day brand, and it is a little necklace and earring set. The necklace has my initial on it and like a little pearl and a little diamond, and then it's got little diamondy looking earrings, and I thought that set was really cute. But then he also got me this necklace. This one is gold, and it's my initial with a little like, it's so tiny, but it's my initial with a little diamond on the S, and this is the one that I ended up wearing all day on Christmas. It's so pretty. It really is. And it's totally my style. Like, I love these. And I really like initial necklaces. And for whatever reason, I don't think I have any. So I'm actually really excited that he picked those up, because I thought that was really nice. And I'm really excited to wear them. He also picked me up some Burt's Bees stuff. We have 4 sheet masks. You got the detoxifying charcoal sheet mask, the hydrating sheet mask, renewing biocellulose gel mask, and then the brightening biocellulose gel mask. So definitely get some use out of these. I am trying to kind of steer away from like the one-time use masks because I do feel like it's a little bit wasteful, but like he knows that I use sheet masks and it just really like excites me that he actually pays that much attention, that he knows to get things like this, because things like this are what I really enjoy, and I just think that that's like the sweetest thing ever. Speaking of Burt's Bees, this has already been broken into. This is the Burt's Bees Hemp Body Lotion for dry skin. So I'm not the biggest fan of the original Burt's Bees body lotion. The scent kind of throws me off. This one is hemp though, and this one actually has like a pretty pleasant smell. It's a bit more like planty based type smell, and I actually have found myself enjoying this one so far, so that's really awesome. He also got the Burt's Bees Rose Micellar Toning Water and the Burt's Bees BB Cream in light to medium. I've talked before, I'm not the biggest fan of like Burt's Bees products. However, if you're going to get me Burt's Bees, this is definitely what to get me because I love their toning waters and their BB cream is actually pretty good. So I'm excited. And so he said that he was like looking at all of like the beauty products and he went through and made sure that everything that he picked out for me was cruelty free, which I just think that's like the sweetest thing, because he knows that like I won't use it if it's not cruelty free. So I just love that he actually put like that forethought and insight into picking out things that were cruelty free. He also got me this cute little reindeer cocoa mix. I have been drinking like nothing but hot cocoa this season. It's, oh my god, and this is so cute. You got little marshmallows, little cocoa mix, and then I don't even know what this is. It's little Rudolph's nose, and the whole thing is so adorable, and I love I don't know why, like every year I see these and I think they're so cute. So I thought that was really nice too. He also picked up the Threshold Scented Candle in Frosted Berry Pine. It smells pretty good. It's a cute little tin candle. I love this little design on it. I think that's adorable, and obviously we burn candles all the time, so it'll definitely get used. I will say, for a pine scent, it smells really good because it's got like that kind of berry undertone to it. He has, God bless him, no idea how much room is actually in a stocking. So he tends to get like way too much stuff and like kind of bigger size stuff, and then it doesn't fit, so he has to wrap them. And you would think after a couple of years, but he is such a sweetheart. So he also picked up this. This is the June and Moon Watermelon Sugar Scrubs. So this was interesting to me. He said he did, I've never heard of this brand before. He said he did look it up. They were cruelty free. There's that other brand, the Harper and Ari brand, that does like this same like packaging, except theirs are in glass bottles. This is plastic, which I like a little bit better. And they do like these cute little sugar cubes. These smell phenomenal. And I love them. I love them so much because it's so convenient. I always go like way overboard on scrubs, and these are just like mess free. They're really nice. This bottle is recyclable, which I love. And so it's really interesting to me because so the Harper and Ari ones are pricey though, and I'm hoping that it ends up working out well for me, because ideally I'll just pick these up instead of buying like regular sugar scrubs now, because I feel like I just go through sugar scrubs so fast. And these, it's like, you know, like you use one per use, and these last forever. So I'm really excited about those. Then he also picked up the e.l.f. Frosted Marshmallow Sponge Trio. You guys know how I am with I love my sponges. And I will say, I've never tried these e.l.f. sponges, I don't think. Now, it's funny to me because this one, I think I have tried this one from e.l.f., but then this one looks like the Real Technique sponge, and this one is like the little baby blender one. And so I'm really curious because you've got the blending sponge, the total face, and a small precision sponge. So I'm really curious to see just how these work, and I can't believe, like, I didn't even know that they had these cute little sets. So I'm very excited about that. I found out after the fact that he purchased this intending it to go into my stocking because it was a wrapped gift, and due to the size, I assumed it was meant to be a wrapped gift, but he got me the BuzzFeed 2000s Ultimate Trivia Game. It is sealed. I have to keep it sealed. I got this and I was like, oh my god, and I texted my best friend and I was like, dude, family game night. And I'm so excited about it. So it's over 400 pop culture trivia questions, and like on the back, one of the questions has like a picture of a girl doing like a duck face, and it says, what is this selfie pose called? And like, I just think this is gonna be so much fun. I love random pop culture trivia. These are like my favorite types of games to play, but I have to keep it sealed because I like to like read the cards. And that's cheating, and my friend won't play with me if I read the cards. So I told her that I keep it sealed until we can get together and play it. But I'm really pumped because I love these freaking games. And then the last thing that he picked up, which he also, for whatever reason, assumed would fit into a stocking, was the Raw Sugar Bath Fizzers. Raw Sugar is a brand I've used before. I really like the brand. I love the packaging of this. It's so cute. And it is raw coconut and mango bath fizzers. So it's literally like almost like little bath bombs, but they're little fizzers. Oh my god, and they smell so good. Oh, once again, this is another thing I didn't even know existed, and I'm so excited to try this out. Like, really tightly squeezed in here. There's 8 2-ounce fizzers in here, so this will last 8 freaking baths. I'm so excited, and I have a feeling my daughter's gonna steal some of them because she loves like bath bombs and bath fizzers, but that's just so cute. I love those. So then beyond the stocking stuffers turned presents, my husband got me 2 big high ticket items, I guess. First thing he got me was a Nintendo Switch. My kids and I have been playing it, so it's already like set up and everything. The controller and all the other stuff is out in the living room, but this is like, you know, this is the actual Switch. And then he got me a Super Mario case to go along with it because that's basically what my kids and I play is Super Mario. So this case is really cool because it's Super Mario on the front, and then inside it's got like a little stand so you can prop the Nintendo Switch up, and then it's got room for 8 games that you can hold. And I originally wanted the Nintendo Switch for Animal Crossing. I have not even broken out the Animal Crossing game because my kids and I have literally just been playing Mario the entire time, but I love this. It's got like a hard shell on the back. It's so cute and I'm so excited. I freaking love Animal Crossing and I love Mario. He also got me 2 games to go along with it. He got me the Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe, which is obviously the quintessential Mario game for the Nintendo Switch, and then he also got me Animal Crossing's New Horizon, which I have not opened yet because it's been all Mario all the time with my kids, which I'm okay with. I'm really excited to break into this though. I have wanted this since it came out. I wanted the Animal Crossing like special edition Nintendo Switch, and I couldn't find it anywhere. And the regular Nintendo Switch also kept going in and out of stock, and he finally found one. And I'm so eternally grateful because I'm so excited. And my kids and I have already clocked a lot of hours on this thing, but it's so much fun. Like, it's so fun to just relax and play video games sometimes, you know what I mean? It's so much fun. And then the other big ticket item he purchased has been on my wish list every year. Last year he purchased something similar. It was like, well, it was like another like big ticket item like this that was just ridiculously massive, but it was the Lush Wow gift, and I freaking loved that. And this year he picked up the Drunk Elephant Trunk 4.0. This is how it came. Like, is this not just sheer insanity? I am so pumped though. I have tried a few Drunk Elephant skincare products, but I haven't tried very many. And the ones that I have tried though, I have loved. And this, like, so every year the trunk comes in something different. Like last year, I think it was like a mini skincare fridge. The skincare fridge was adorable. This year, it was in collaboration with Monos, and it came in a freaking suitcase. Like a legitimate, like this is a rolling handle suitcase. This thing is massive and it's so cute. I love this because it's a very simple like white color with gray accents, and I love that. I love that. And this is so, it's got like a freaking combination code and then the little zipper on that. Are you kidding me? Like, this is what the inside of the suitcase looks like. I mean, it's a smaller suitcase, but it'd be great for like an overnight trip or even like a couple of days if it's just yourself. I'm so used to traveling with kids. I don't even remember what to take for yourself. But then inside there's like another pouch that opens up and you've got a bag of Drunk Elephant skincare. So much freaking Drunk Elephant skincare. The No. 9 Jelly Cleanser, the A Passioni Retinol Cream. I'm so excited about that. The freaking Behydra Intensive Hydration Serum. You've got the Shaba Complex Eye Serum, the TLC Sakura Baby Facial. You've got the TLC Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. You've got the Protini Polypeptide Cream, the C-Firm Day Serum, the Umbra Tente Physical Daily Defense. This is that sunscreen. You've got a little sample of like little micellar water. You've got the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. There's a mini Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. And then a whole bunch of little samples. Like, this is so much Drunk Elephant skincare, and I'm dropping shit now because this suitcase is like just weirdly balancing out. I am so unbelievably excited, like calming breaths. And it's one of those things where like I put this on my wish list. I didn't really expect to get it. My husband got it for me. Thank you so much. My husband got it for me, and even then I was like, oh my god, it's a suitcase with Drunk Elephant products, how cute. And it's just shocking like how many Drunk Elephant products there are. And this suitcase is like a microbial suitcase. It comes with like a microbial laundry bag inside. It's like a good suitcase. Like, I was really impressed with it. It was a good job. Good job. to Drunk Elephant and My Husband. I'm still kind of in shock about this one, I think, because I really wasn't expecting to get it, so it's very nice surprise. So my external family, because we weren't able to spend this year all together, and it's been a crazy year due to COVID, we did decide to go a little bit small on presents, only get a couple of things for each other. So my mom and her husband ended up getting me Schitt's Creek on DVD, the entire series. I'm so excited about this. And I know it might seem kind of counterintuitive because you can watch Schitt's Creek on Netflix, but listen, up until yesterday, you could watch The Office on Netflix too. Okay, I have The Office on DVD, so I'm not concerned about it, but all my Office loving friends are freaking out. I like to have hard copies of things. I like to have things on DVD. I like to know that I'm gonna be able to watch my shows when I wanna watch my shows. One of my favorite shows is The Middle, okay? And that's not available anywhere. Anywhere. It's ridiculous. And also Shameless, and I don't have Showtime or HBO. What is it on? Showtime? So I just buy it on DVD and then I watch it there. I'm really excited about this though because obviously I love this show. It's such a good show. If you have not watched the show, you need to watch it. I was a little leery at first. I was like, okay, it's a sitcom, but it's so good. I don't even know if this could be classified as a freaking sitcom, to be honest with you. It's such a good show. It's such a good show. And then my dad and my sister and my dad's girlfriend and all of those fun people, they ended up picking out a couple of things for me too. They got me the facial steamer. This was on my Amazon wish list. I don't know if it was on that video because I feel like it was a recent edition, but I've heard so freaking much about facial steamers lately and I've been wanting to try one. And my daughter, when I opened this, she was like, that's mine. And I was like, no, what are you gonna do? Blow steam at your little tiny baby face? You can't blow steam at your little tiny baby face. I still have to put it together, but it comes with like a really cute little headband. And I'm just a little kitty cat headband too. And I'm so excited. I have heard so many good things about this. Y'all know I'm trying to get more into skincare because obviously that's the base for any good makeup. And I've been wanting like a little personal facial steamer. And this is just... And it's so sleek looking too. I freaking love that. And then also, if you watched my wishlist video, you would recognize this. I'm really excited about this. I don't know how much you can see. This is actually, it's a really large blanket. Like it's really big. But this is the Nightmare Before Christmas blanket that I had on my wish list. So thank you guys so much for that because I love it. And it's so soft and it's so cozy. Oh my God. So we FaceTimed each other to open up our gifts to each other, and I opened this and I like covered up with it, and my dad and that side of the family live on the other side of the country where it actually snows, and he was like, isn't it like 60 degrees out there? Do you need a blanket right now? And I was like, actually it's 70, and yes, because this is so soft. I freaking love it. And then also my dad's girlfriend, who I guess, like, she's basically my stepmom, okay? She ended up getting a gift for all of the girls, so it was a two-piece gift. So first was this bracelet. It says Big Sis, and then the little charm says, the greatest gift our parents ever gave us was us. I love this bracelet. And then also there is a little keychain that says Big Sis, and she said that when we're all together, all three of the pieces will come together and make, I'm assuming it's a heart if I had to guess, but I haven't seen it all put together because obviously I haven't seen them, but I love this. And I need to put this on my key ring. I left it off so I could film this, and now I've got to go put it on my key ring because it's so tiny. And it's so sweet. My heart, you guys. It has been a rough freaking year, and honestly, I'm so grateful for everything that I received at Christmas, and just, it's been such a nice holiday. Like, I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult than it was, but my husband was so just above and beyond trying to make sure that everybody had a good time, you know, of us and our children, but just making sure that everybody had such a good time. And it was so nice to be able to FaceTime with everybody, and it was so, like, my kids were in, like, weirdly good moods the whole time. Like, there was no whining, there was no just uproars of arguments between the three of them, and it was just such a nice time, and I could not be more grateful for that. I'm really hoping we can all kind of take that energy into 2021. So let me know down below what you guys got for Christmas, and if you guys did anything fun. Like, obviously most of our traditions kind of got pushed to the wayside this year, but did you make any new traditions? Like, what'd you guys do? Let me know that down below. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me. I'm getting that itch to do more random things around my house, so if you're interested in that, make sure you're following along, and I will catch you guys next time.